We became involved because we have been pioneering with adults with learning disabilities digital inclusion work over the past 5 years. Now, we know about telecare, and many of the people we support use telecare, but we were really interested in the digital aspects and marrying the informal aspects of technology with the more formal aspects. So, as is our wont sometimes in Quarriers, I was the person that was hit for introducing the vision and the strategy. So when I began to look around, I became really excited about what technology could do for the people we support. We could build on the informal bits, as I've said, so the access to email, to all the internet can offer, as well as integrating this to people's care was a really exciting aspect for us, and we wanted to develop both. So we engaged with a software provider, and the funding from the tech project was able to help us implement this integrated system, reducing the isolation for people and enhancing the social aspects.
As Helen said, Quarriers Technology Enabled Care project is a digital technology whereby staff and support users can access and self-manage care through the form of a touchscreen tablet. On the tablet, there is a responder system whereby when pressed, this will automatically generate a video call going to our responder support worker, who would then establish what type of care is required and take necessary action. The support staff can pick up and respond through either a PC, or they can respond through the use of a mobile phone as well. So if they're out in the field, they can be responders and pick up any support requirements. The other side of the tablet, or the home hub, which would be in the support user's home, is the self-management of their care through the use of a diary system, where we can set up things like medication administration, turning the washing machine on, turning the washing machine off as a reminder, notify them of their support that's coming to help them in their home, and we can also notify them who's coming and at what time. And there's also the other side of it, which is the social aspect, where we can set up friends and family to do video calls, and also we've got a team of volunteers who can contact support users in the evening to obviously reduce isolation and loneliness. So there's two sides to our system. There's the responder side, and then there's the social side, and also, as Helen mentioned before, internet sites can be accessed from there as well. The best thing for me is seeing the support users independently manage their own care using this type of technology, and being able to speak with either a responder, a volunteer, or friends and family when they choose, and also if required. As well as the supportive responder part of tech, the social function also allows users to video call, as I said before, friends and family can also contact support users. For example, if they're on holiday in Mallorca, they can contact support users and have a video call just to see how they're doing. So that, I think, is one of the major features on the social side of things.
Tech's important to the people we support because it's important to everybody in society today, and we want everyone to have access to the state-of-the-art technology, whether it be on a social basis or to help them manage their own care, or to help them be as independent as possible. It has actually opened a hidden world to people, and it's just amazing that someone who has been totally dependent on people for support, often with very personal things, just being able to control that a little bit, how that can enhance their lives and make them, or help them feel a sense of achievement that they wouldn't otherwise have managed. Our hope for the future is that people will have the opportunity to become involved, that we will be able to integrate the social aspects more fully with the care aspects of technology. At an organisational level, this can help us as an organisation become much more efficient. It can reassure families and it can help people self-manage their care for as long as they can.